I gave you a $5,000 Deoxys for 3K. You better give me some good. Hold on. Reshiram, that, all the way down. Hey, look at his beautiful shirt. He buys Milky Bags. Follow Papa Bear to the lactation station. I mean, that's crazy. He wants to kiss me right now. He's like, oh, I'm stressed out.
Come on, baby. Come on. Hold my hand. Hold my hand when I call you. I need a win.
You're making too much sound right now. All right, we are at Newport Showcase in Newport Beach, about 10 minutes from my office. Day one, it is Friday, setup.
I was looking at this.
The Scream Side Duck?
Yeah, I saw it last sold like 25. I mean, where are you at?
Cash or trade?
Both.
Okay, let me see. I'm in it pretty high, so I'd have to be firm, but let me see.
All right. Well, we'll see what we can do.
What do you have for trade? I was firm at 26, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I got offered 25 cash.
I know. I mean, because the rest of it would be cash. I mean, depending on what you valued all that on. I mean, could you do a little bit better, like 82 or 84 on those, since they're top tier?
Let me see. Adam, is this 450 or it's like 400? This one?
I just comped those like last night, eBay last.
This is 200. This is like 380 to 400. This is pretty accurate. I think this is a little lower though.
Okay, just check it. Yeah, just look.
Okay, so I'd have 440. I want to say 380 on this. This 200's fair. And this 490 is cool. 1400 cash.
Give me like 200 on that. Just throw it, bro. Dude, literally on eBay,
what is this worth?
last sold pack is 260. That's why I put it.
PSA 8.
By itself.
You'd be better.
It's a long crack.
Yeah, you can just crack it as a pack.
What's a pack worth? 200 bucks?
No, 260. That's what I just sold on eBay, literally.
Is it more than 200? It is a long pack.
No, I don't.
Can they be weighed still?
I got it from the PokeRev.
Can it be weighed? Oh, you gotta have a PokeRev gold pack?
And I didn't weigh it. No, and I just sent
like
it.
a coin flip. 250 or nothing.
Yeah. Well, he wants to trade for the Scream Side Duck.
Yeah, we're just trying to work a trade. Yeah.
I'll do 1200. These plus 1200 cash. I'll take this. Deal? All right. Chris is taking my Scream Side Duck first deal of the day at Newport Showcase.
Local show, baby.
Yes, sir. In exchange, I am receiving this graded base set 2-pack that came from a PokeRev gold pack. Shout out PokeRev. We got a Leafeon Altar from Evolving Skies. We got a Glaceon VMAX, a Rayquaza Altar, and a Leafeon VMAX. Plus 1200 cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate it.
Marvin, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man.
Enjoy the card. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. All right. You want to sell it all?
Yeah, this is all stuff I'm trying to move today.
If I see it?
5 Clefairies is crazy. You know, my name's Arvin with the I.
Bro, that card is meant for you.
What do you have the Clefairies at? I know these used to be 200. They peaked at like 2,000, I think.
Yeah, well, no, that was a long time ago. Okay, so I'm super flexible on these. I think I paid like 400 each. I think I'm at like 550 each on these after everything. I don't know if that's worth it or not.
That's what you're in them for?
No, that's what I'm trying to get.
Okay.
It's like 550 each.
Value or after percent you want 550?
Oh, wow, they're all sequential.
You graded them all.
That is what I'm trying to walk away with.
Okay. That's cheap. The Tyrannotars are super cheap too.
They're like 30
yeah,
to 45.
that's fine. We can do that. We'll do whatever those are at. This,
So,
I think I'm at like 750 on that.
This is the comps on the Clefairy.
Shoot.
So it's worth around 510, 520. Okay, so we're at 4,300 here. 30 times 7 is 210.
Yep.
You said you want 200 on this. You said 5 on this, right? A Politoed?
I don't know if I trust you.
Dude, I need a Politoed to go with my Gengar, bro.
Bro, that card's being manipulated. I don't trust anything in this market.
What do you mean? It's 20 grand.
Yeah, exactly.
How was that manipulated? Skyward Zard's 30K. Jeremy, 500 is fair on this. Comps are 5 to 600.
Fine, we'll do 500 cash.
Okay.
That's crazy.
But if you sell it for 1,000, I'm gonna be pissed.
I don't think I'll sell it. Okay, it's worth 475 raw. How much do you want? I don't pay high on raw.
350.
6,800.
Okay.
That's it? Okay, you want to flip
Flip for what?
for the stack?
What do you mean?
100 bucks,
No,
just flat, 68.
I don't gamble.
All right, I was gonna say 67 or 69 for the culture.
I'll hit you up with that dark ride.
Yeah, please.
I'll play in the game.
Okay.
All right, we good to go?
Yeah.
All right, Jeremy came by, Mr. Slowpoke. we are picking up a bunch of slabs from him. We're picking up this XY promo, I was gonna say Swellpoke. It's XY promo Darkrai. This Japanese black and white Darkrai, beautiful texture on this. Then we have this Pokemon Center Squirtle Reverse Holo. Charmander from Costco. He probably loves his hot dogs, this little Charmander. Politoed, we're gonna flip this to Poke Chloe's husband for like $3,000. Reds Challenge. We got 1, 2, 3 Tyrannitars, Japanese. I think they're from Clayburst. Got a few floors. We got a Miraidon, we got a Qianpao, we got the Blues Tactics, Alakazam, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 Lily's Clefairies from Dream League. Beautiful cards. Those are Japanese exclusives. Then we have a Japanese Sylveon VMAX, an Umbreon Darkrai Japanese, and a McDonald's Pikachu Japanese. We're gonna pay out Jeremy $6,800. I'll take out $3,200 real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $3K and $3,200. Yep, $6,800 here. You can count it if you want. I paid you right? Money was right?
Yes, sir.
All right,
I appreciate it, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Saved me a headache of a day walking around.
If there's anything else you want, let me know.
Yeah, we'll do.
This gentleman came by. He wants to sell this Gold Star Rayquaza PSA 6 and this Test Tube Mewtwo PSA 10. You said you want a $7,800? PayPal? $7,800?
Ken Zill?
My Zell's limited. If you take PayPal, I'll PayPal you $78. All right, so that's 1K, 2K, 3K. This was 4K, I counted this. This is 5K, I counted this, 6K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's 7 grand. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7,800 cash. Shining Legends, Test Tube Mewtwo, and Gold Star Rayquaza, PSA 6. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Did you bought that stuff?
Yeah, I bought that stuff. I traded a bunch of 9s, like garbage 9s. I paid like 50% for a bunch of it.
You want to sell me those?
Bro, take them, please.
How much?
I think
Oh,
Tom's
these are like $10 cards.
like, they're garbage. I think that one's like 4, like they're garbage. I think Tom's like 110, take it for 50. I don't care.
50 cash?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna buy these from Tim for $50 cash. We got a Drowsy and a 9, Zard V-Star, and then 2 Haunters. Okay, so these are 40. I could probably do 65.
Hell yeah.
Cash? Or do you want a coin flip 60 or 70?
I'll do that.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do a coin flip. Okay, heads, tails.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dylan, we're gonna coin flip with Dylan. 2 Journey Together booster bundles, $60 or $70 cash. Heads, tails, call it in the air. Ready, sir?
Sir.
3, 2, 1.
Heads.
Golden Falls! Hey, you still got $60.
Got it, bro.
Appreciate you, bro. Thank you.
Appreciate you, bro. Super nice meeting you, man.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Take care. All right, so what are we buying?
Oh, it's the cool stuff.
Let me show the camera.
Gas.
We're buying, all right, there we go. Celebi. Why does my hand look weird? Hydrapple. Machamp Marshadow. Solgaleo Lunala. I love this Silvally. This card's gas. This card's underrated. Darkrai in a 10. Holy, into the PC it goes. Pikachu. Deoxys. What is this? Quaquable. Donald Duck. Celebi Venusaur. Sequential. Wow. Tax people. How much does a Mimikyu?
It's like 150.
We're gonna pay that? You wanna buy a Mimikyu?
Yeah, no. It'll be a side chase. Trust.
Deoxys.
Side chase.
Beautiful Machop. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Alolan Doug Trio. PC in that all night.
Another one.
Holy. Oh yeah, beautiful Tinkaton and Entei. For 940?
950.
You wanna flip? Wait, we're paying 240?
480 or 0. He wants
Wait, we're paying 240? Yeah. Can we? You wanna flip? You wanna do 2 or 280? Same middle point.
That's fine.
Come here. Let's flip. Come on this side. All right, we're gonna buy some more Basura.
Or Basura.
Or basura.
Mas basura.
Holy. Holy.
You will see these in pigeon force very soon.
Coin flip 200 or 280?
Yeah.
Heads, tails. Ready, sir?
Yeah.
On the floor.
No. What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony? All right, here we go, Anthony.
Heads.
All right, 280. Sweet, thanks,
Need a
brother.
lucky coin.
You want this or you want anyone? Doesn't matter.
Sure.
That's cool. All right, the one that you beat me with?
Is that you?
Yeah. Coin am kharidado though. Thanks, bro.
No problem. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Can we do 180? Cash?
Coin flip, 190, 180.
You have change?
I tell him.
I can sell you.
Oh yeah, sure.
That's okay? All right. What's your name?
Jason,
Jason?
your name?
Arvin.
Nice to meet you.
Or Goated Pulse. All right, we're gonna buy this Mew coin flip 180 or 190. My coin's okay? My coin's okay? Let me grab a coin. All right, ready? Call it in the air. 3, 2, 1.
Tails.
You got it right.
Thank you, appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
No problem, me too.
I might come back to the library.
Let me know.
Ash, where's your table? Where's your table?
But that's what I'm saying. I'm not all on.
Take me to your table. I'm about to cook you. I'm gonna cook you. Where's your table? Right here? Oh, you got some garbage.
Very beautiful garbage.
Bro, why don't you give me the evolutions?
I like those. I'm trying to get
Bro,
the
you
promos
got.
from
I gave you a $5,000 Deoxys for 3K. You better give me some good shit. I want this. I want this, 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 this. Is that a regular reverse hollow? Holy shit. Give me that. Give me that Terapagos and the string cheese man. Adam's gonna use it for whatnot. Hold on. Valerion, Salamence. Start taking Reshiram, that, all the way down, all the way to Raging Bolt. I'm about to clear you out, buddy. Honestly, I could take this too. I don't want that.
That's fine.
Articuno I want, Kilowattrel, Glaceon, Magneton,
At this point, you might as well take everything. What are we doing? I
Urshifu.
want to keep this.
That's fine, I don't care about that. What is this? $90 is cooked. I don't want it. I don't want it. No, I don't want it.
You're not leaving with a $90 slab.
Vaporeon, give me the apple. Gulpin's crazy. I don't want the Gulpin.
That's fine.
I don't want the Gulpin. I don't want this stupid dog. I'll take this. I'll take this. Take this. And I'll take this.
You don't want the other Duskar?
Wait, did I take the Duskar?
Except the one I have two.
Okay, give it to me. All right, I want all these. Is that stuff yours too? Let me see what you got over here.
You don't want anything.
Holy 2,400 on Squirtle. Okay, bring the slabs. I'll grab this. Grab it.
All right. He knows.
Dude, take out that Galvantula. What the f? Want that?
You're taking the Galvantula.
No, I'm
no,
not.
you're taking the Galvantula, bro. You're taking
Let me see
it.
it. Let me see it.
You're taking it.
Okay, fine. I thought it was a regular EX. I'll take it. Hey, look at his beautiful shirt. He buys Milky Bags.
And I get cooked every day.
Are you ready to go to the
Let's go.
lactation station? Let's go. Follow the Papa Bear to the lactation station. Oh yeah, what not cook? Holy. Okay, don't piss him off, bro. He's gonna hurt you. Why is there a cheese head on my... Hold on. Why is there a cheese head on my display case? Is that your fault? Eat it. Eat it.
Is the camera off or
Eat it.
on?
It's on.
Off or on?
It's on.
It's on?
Yeah. Eat it and wipe the case, please. You got cheese and crumbs.
I'll throw you $50 in a shirt. This for that, and I throw you $50 in a shirt.
It wasn't even that, it was just like, he just like,
What, a medium gonna fit me?
I really
You want to try it on? I'll take it on.
Large?
$50 in a large.
All right, deal. Cooked. Wow. Thank you very much, Edlusha. All right. Iman wanted to trade out of his cards. He's trading into my Reshiram Zekrom from Cosmic Eclipse. In exchange, we're getting this beautiful Cleffa pumping. Holy, look at that beautiful Deerling. Oh, to the moon, Deerling. And we got the most expensive card of Scarlet Violet, basically, the Charmander Pokemon Center promo. It is the most expensive card, isn't it? This or the Magikarp. Or actually, no, the Sunbreon is more, but. And we got the Eevee from Prismatic Pokemon Center, ECB. Yeah. That's and I said I would take 15 here, so you're basically end up for 17.50. That's how the math worked. Check the tape, and we're getting the Jolteon plus $50 cash.
Take the Jolteon.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
I got cooked.
Hold on, what? Your stuff's worth $33.50, right?
$33.50, and your stuff is worth $11.28.
18, 19 flip.
Just do 19.
18, 19 flip. Deoxys, you cooked me for 2K.
I did not cook you for 2K.
I gave it to you for like 3.5. It's worth like 5.5. It's all cheap paying you high.
18.50, 19.50.
Bro. Ashwin.
I could kiss you right now.
Ashwin, that's
I
crazy.
won't,
He wants to kiss me right now. 18, 19, brother.
No.
Mashallah.
Your number's 1880. Why am I going down 80 and up $10?
Okay, 18, 15, 19. Happy?
I feel like we should just do a $5 flip. 18.
No. How about 18 or 19.50?
Oh, okay.
What?
Okay.
18 or 19.50?
Yeah.
So 18.75 middle point.
Yeah.
He's like, wait, hold on. You already shook my
No,
hand.
I'm ready. I'm just not ready for you to flip. The deal's done. I just need to.
All right, he is picking up some singles, and we're taking in a bunch of slabs. All right, let me show you all the beautiful slabs we're taking. Lily, Skuntank, Espeon. What is this? Should I not? Holy.
Hey, show them the bangers.
There is no bangers. Show them the bangers. Wow. Flareon. Wow. Actually, put in the effect. Wow. Premium, top quality, top shelf product. Oh, baby. Look at this beautiful Glaceon. Wow. Bro, just a bunch of just absolute heaters that we're going to put on our Milky Wheel on Whatnot. You could, these are going on Milky Bags, some of these. We're not done though, we're not done. Then we're going to get some heaters here. Flareon, Raging Bolt, holy, Articuno, Arctic Bird, Wailord, Kingdra. Wow. Oh, my Lotic is nice. English. Executor, Ribombee, Urshifu. Beautiful, another Glaceon. We got 2 Glaceons? Holy Prince.
Show them these?
No, the heaters, the meat on the bones of the deal. Salamence, Entei, Iron Crown, Fruit Eevee, Iron Leaves, and Raging Bolt. In exchange, he's taking all these singles. Absolute heaters from Goated Pulse's display case. Ooh, wow, you're taking some good stuff. Holy megas. Wow. This is only $1,100? This is only $1,100? These are good. All right, so now the deal is he's taking all my singles plus this Munch Pikachu PSA 8. $200 or $300 cash. Ready? He's like, oh, I'm stressed out. I'm stressed
Come
out.
on, baby. Hold my hand. Hold my hand when I call.
Hold my hand. Heads, tails, ready?
I need a win. Let's go. I need a win. I need a win.
You're making too much sound right now. 3, 2, 1.
Tails.
Let's go, baby! Ashwin Pulse. Oh my god.
I finally won one.
And a good one too.
I finally won one.
For the first time in a millennia.
Everyone's staring at you.
Cooked in the comments anymore.